tear. Tear it open. Can you tear it? Oh, tear it. What is that?
A baby.
What is it, Bella? What is it?
Bella, it's a baby.
How about we get the baby out and you can put the baby in the bed?
Yeah, but I think it's too big. Okay, let's open this one. Here's one. Bella,
Eli
Bella,
wrapped.
Bella,
By the way, Eli wrapped.
Fine.
Here.
Eli, let her unwrap it.
Bella, look, a puppy got you.
Good. A little teddy bear. Mommy, would you put this down on the back?